Living organisms are classified for several crucial reasons that help us understand and study the vast biodiversity on Earth. Organization of diversity. With millions of species inhabiting our planet, classification provides a systematic way to organize this immense diversity into manageable groups based on shared characteristics. This makes it easier for scientists and researchers to study and refer to different organisms. Avoid confusion. Common names for organisms can vary significantly from region to region, leading to confusion. Scientific classification provides a universal and standardized naming system, binomial nomenclature, that ensures every organism has a unique and recognized scientific name worldwide. Understanding evolutionary relationships. Classification reflects the evolutionary history and relationships between different groups of organisms. By studying the hierarchical classification, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, we can understand how different species are related to each other and trace their ancestry. Identification of organisms. A well-established classification system allows for the easy and accurate identification of new or unknown organisms. By observing its characteristics, scientists can place it within the existing classification framework. Predictive value. Once an organism is classified, we can infer a lot about its characteristics, behavior, and ecological role based on what we know about other members of the same group. Facilitating research and communication. Classification provides a common language and framework for scientists worldwide to communicate their findings and conduct research on various organisms. It allows for the systematic study of different groups and the sharing of knowledge. Conservation efforts. Understanding the classification and relationships between organisms is crucial for conservation efforts. It helps in identifying endangered species, understanding their ecological needs, and developing effective conservation strategies. Educational purposes. Classification is a fundamental concept in biology education. It helps students understand the diversity of life and the interconnectedness of living organisms. In essence, the classification of living organisms is a fundamental tool in biology that brings order to the complexity of life, facilitates study, and enhances our understanding of the natural world.